What differentiates a good team from a great one? It starts with discipline. Think of discipline as the framework that holds everything together. It's the backbone, the foundation, the very bedrock upon which every successful team is built. It's not just about rules or regulations, but a culture of accountability, consistency, and professionalism. Now, imagine a team where communication is proactive and continuous. Everyone knows what's going on, what's expected of them, and how their work contributes to the bigger picture. There's no room for confusion or misunderstanding. And it's not just about talking, it's about listening and responding in a timely manner too. That's how we build trust, foster collaboration, and ensure everyone is on the same page. But discipline extends beyond communication. It's about being predictable, transparent, and available. It's about showing up, not just physically, but also mentally and emotionally. It's about being well-groomed and well-mannered, because how we present ourselves can set the tone for our interactions with others. Punctuality matters too. It's a sign of respect for other people's time. It's also about honoring our commitments, because when we say we'll do something, we do it. We don't make promises we can't keep. We don't let people down. Remember, it's all about setting the right tone and sticking to it. That's discipline. Now, what keeps a team growing and improving? Continuous learning. In a world that's constantly evolving, it's crucial to keep up. New technologies and methods are emerging every day, and these can significantly boost your team's effectiveness. It's not just about adopting the latest tools though, it's about understanding them, mastering them, and leveraging them to deliver superior results. Training is a key element of this process. It's not enough to just train yourself, you should also train your team and even your customers. Knowledge is power, and when everyone involved understands the tools and methods you're using, you can operate more efficiently and effectively. But it's not just about the tools you use, it's also about the world you operate in. Staying updated with current trends and technologies is vital. The marketplace is like a river. It's always flowing, always changing. If you're not aware of the currents and the direction it's moving in, you could find yourself left behind. So, make it a point to regularly update your knowledge and skills. Read industry publications, attend webinars, participate in forums and discussions. Stay curious, stay engaged, and stay on top of your game. And remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth and improvement, driven by curiosity and a desire to do better. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. That's continuous learning. What sets a team member apart? Owning their role. It's about stepping up, not just doing your job, but truly embracing your part in the team. Imagine a chessboard. Each piece has a role, a purpose. Just like a pawn or a queen, you have a unique part to play. And that part is not just about tackling tasks. It's about finding solutions. It's about turning problems into opportunities to learn, to grow, to innovate. Building intelligence is another crucial aspect. It's about gathering knowledge, understanding the ins and outs of your role, and sharing what you've learned with those around you. Taking on extra responsibilities shows initiative, shows that you are not only a doer, but a leader. Being proactive, not reactive, is key. If you're unsure about something, don't assume. Seek clarity. When you own your role, you become an indispensable part of the team. What makes a team effective? Clear and assertive communication. In the ever-evolving world of team dynamics, one thing remains constant: the importance of communication. And not just communication, but effective, clear, and crisp communication. It's not about saying yes to everything, but about asserting your perspective firmly and humbly. In the digital age, we have a multitude of communication forms at our disposal. Don't limit yourself to one or two, use them all. An email, a phone call, a quick message, or a video conference can make all the difference. And remember, the way we communicate reflects our team and our work. It must be rich, insightful, and impactful. It's not just about saying words, it's about delivering messages. One golden rule: whenever possible, keep your communications in written format. It ensures clarity and leaves no room for he said, she said situations. Remember, communication is the bridge between confusion and clarity. What drives a team towards success? A winner's mindset. A mindset that thrives on positivity and competitiveness. positivity is more than just a feel-good vibe. It's a driving force that propels us to explore, innovate, and conquer. It's the belief that we can and we will achieve our goals, no matter how lofty they may seem. And competitiveness? It's not about being ruthless or cutthroat. It's about striving for excellence, pushing boundaries, and not settling for anything less than the best. Solving issues immediately, facing problems head-on, these are hallmarks of a winner's mindset. It's about not letting obstacles deter you, but rather viewing them as stepping stones to success. It's about learning from setbacks and turning them into comebacks. Under-promising and over-delivering is another key aspect. It's about setting realistic expectations and then exceeding them. It's about surprising your team, your clients, your stakeholders with the quality and magnitude of your results. Focusing on growth, aiming for a higher share of business, these are not just financial objectives, but reflections of a winning attitude. It's about seeing potential where others see limitations. It's about constantly seeking ways to improve and expand, to create greater value, to make a bigger impact. Believing that every opportunity can be won. This is the essence of a winner's mindset. It's about having the courage to take on challenges, the tenacity to persevere, and the conviction that success is within reach. With a winner's mindset, every challenge becomes an opportunity. What's the ultimate goal of a team? Customer satisfaction. That's right. No matter the size of the team, the industry, or the product or service, the end game is always the same: satisfied customers. At the heart of customer satisfaction is lead generation. It's about finding the right people who need your products or services and turning them into customers. But it's not just about making a sale. It's about delivering a wow experience that leaves customers feeling valued and appreciated. Being honest and sincere in your approach is key. Customers can tell when you're being genuine, and they'll respect you for it. A transparent approach fosters trust, and trust is the foundation of any successful customer relationship. But it's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Be energetic and approachable. Show enthusiasm for your product or service and for helping the customer. This positivity is infectious and can greatly enhance the customer's experience. Understanding customer needs is also crucial. Listen to them, really listen. Understand their pain points and how your product or service can alleviate them. This understanding allows you to make meaningful suggestions that truly benefit the customer. And finally, never underestimate the power of a simple thank you, a warm greeting, a sincere apology, or a clear clarification. These small gestures can make a big difference. Remember, a satisfied customer is the best business strategy. What makes a team enjoyable to work with? Being people-friendly. It all begins with a simple act of kindness. You see, the language we use can either build bridges or erect walls. So, mind your language. Choose words that uplift, not those that tear down. And here's a secret. Great teams avoid the 3 C's: complaining, condemning, and criticizing. Instead, they focus on fostering an environment of appreciation, accommodation, and acceptance. It's about celebrating the wins, no matter how small, and recognizing the efforts of each team member. But let's not forget about being helpful, not just to your team, but also to your customers. Helping is not just about problem solving, it's about being there, being available, and being supportive. Because in the grand scheme of things, it's not just about what we do, but how we do it. In the end, people will forget what you said or did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. And that brings us to the end of this discussion. We've journeyed together through the importance of discipline, the power of continuous learning, the commitment to owning your role, the value of effective presentation, the resilience of a winner's mindset, the crucial role of customer satisfaction, and the significance of being people-friendly. Thank you for investing your time to grow and learn. Remember, a great team isn't born, it's built. Thank you for joining us on this journey to building better teams.